The rehab after your anatomic shoulder replacement is very important, and I'm going to show you the basic exercises that you need to do starting the day after your surgery. The first step that you need to do is to take your arm out of the brace and hold your arm right by your side, just like this. The first exercise is just bending your elbow, and the way you do that is just allowing your arm to come down straight by your side, and then slowly bringing it up as far as it can go. In the beginning, you'll need to use the other hand to help it up and down, but once your pain becomes a lot better, it'll be easier to do on its own. You do this stretch 3 times a day, just like this. You can also twist your forearm like this and make a fist with your hands in order to keep your hand and your wrist from getting stiff. The next stretch is again where your hand is right up against your belly, and then you rotate your arm to the point straight ahead from your body. You do this 3 repetitions, again all the way from your belly to pointing straight ahead. The last stretch, you will need the help of a countertop or by holding on to the door handle of a refrigerator or something similar. And what you do is you take your arm out of the sling and you put both hands on the counter. And then you take a step back from the counter and lean forward. You hold it there for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you walk back up to the counter. You do 3 repetitions 3 times a day. The important step about this is that you just rest your hand on the counter and let the counter hold your arm. Try not to fire these muscles around your shoulder so that you want to keep them as limp as possible so that they're not trying to contract to move your arm. Again, let your hands just rest on the counter and then walk away from the counter and lean into it. And then walk back forward. Once you're forward here, you can put your arm back into the sling. And again, it's very important to do these stretches 3 times a day.